Is glistening, a beautiful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the blue.
How cold is it out there, Meg?
Freezing.
What do you think, Quincy? Is it a blizzard out there?
Yeah.
I think it's a blizzard. Addison and Rye, what do you think? Is that a blizzard going on out there right now?
No.
I think it is a blizzard.
It's a blizzard, but it's not gonna last.
Let's take a look. Uh-oh. I can't roll my window down. Hang on. Let me start up the car. I mean, look at that. Uh-oh. What was that? Look at the blizzard. It's a blizzard. Snow coming in the car.
Too
Meg,
cold.
do you think we'll be able to make it home?
Yeah, if we made it here, we can make it
Oh my
home.
gosh. Quincy, what are you trying to do? Make it snow in the car? Quincy! What are you doing? I always knew Quincy was crazy. Okay, guys, let's roll up the windows. We're going to get out of here.
Guys, get ready for the airbags.
Get ready for the airbags. This is amazing. There's the post office. Should we call Mrs. Murphy and tell her we're stuck in the snow?
Yeah.
How much? We're stuck in the snow. I can't breathe. I'm dying. Yep. Yep. Watch out, don't hit Rye, Oh, she wiped out big time.
My turn.
Okay, here goes Quincy. Go ahead, Quincy.
Ready?
Yeah, go, buddy. Watch out, Rye! Yeah, Ryan, leave that one down there. You can't get up, can you? Okay, give us a push. Oh, this is going to be scary. I hope I can hold on to the camera. Right, you all right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Hold on. We wiped out again. Lay back, here we go. Hold on, hey. You all right, Meg? Oh, my face is freezing. What's the matter?
There's no one in my mouth and in my eye.
Oh, it's cold. Oh man, my hand's freezing too, Meg. Let's go. Oh, are you stuck over there? cars appear out of nowhere. They're ghost cars.
A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bird. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter